So hi and welcome to this video, and today we're going to be taking falconSpy's G Pro Superlight. He plays for the Falcon Esports team. He's a pro gamer for the Fortnite pro team. And we're going to be customizing his G Pro wireless. We're going to be taking some weight out of it, changing the switches, changing the feet, getting it nicely balanced, and basically allowing him to play even better at Fortnite. That's the plan. He wants it nicely customized and tailored to his preferences, taking out some of the pre-travel as well. And for now, let's get on with the video.
So we're going to put some TTC golds, pre-travel, 50 gram weight reduction, battery mod, some tigers, side button reduction. This could be the last teardown mod you see on this layout anyway. Front one's a bit rough. A bit of prey. This front one's bad. Right, let's put some TTC golds in it, nice. And then some kale and coda. Goodbye, Mom. That's what we're putting in it. 30mm TTC. A little bit stiffer, but nice click. Kale and coda. It's just off the PCB. Probably helped with a bit of pre-travel, but it's supposed to be flush like that. So that's what I'm checking when I'm running my finger under it, and you see me do that. There we go, one PCB switch now. It's got kale and coda, and some 30mm in it, nice. Now we get to chop it up. So it was 61.6 out the shop factory. So we'll probably get to about 49, I reckon, without making it look overly drawn, like all the main base of the shell being tapped, the base will be drawn a little bit, but Like here, you generally can get a bit of like flex like that on the back. You look at boards, he was showing it, but I now put a bit of glue on the back and that stops it. But generally, it's not bad. Yep. Just tidy up these other bits and then sort of pre-travel out because it's bad, and then we'll be good. Put that together. Give it a weight test. What's 62? It's probably going to be about 49. Alright, let's put this puppy together, sort the back to the battery more actually. Let's do that first. So tight. No, it's too tight, this one. Remember it was before? So it's sticking. Now you can adjust these screws now. And you can do it from under the base as well. Adjust your pre-travel. There's a pre-travel on these. You remember these before? Try a 2 tape. If you want to see what it's like compared, is a stock G Pro. You can see, you see that? This one's not too bad actually. That one is, look at that. See that one? Look at the sides here. The stock one is like, it's like been pressing there. There it is. Mush is real. Nice. Put it back together and we're done, people. There we go. That's what it weighs. That's some skates. 49. Nice. Right, that's it. We're done. It's looking pretty good. 39, 49 grams. And I put a bit of glue on the back. So that's got a flex. That's a bit of flex you get. But I'll put some glue inside and then seal it once I'm happy with it. And then it'll be right as rain. Hoorah.